Hey guys, how's it going? How to turn on comments on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and open up our Pinterest. And basically, after I open my Pinterest, you will not see that I have posts or whatever pins. I haven't posted anything. So I'm gonna just go ahead and create a new pin by clicking create and then click pin. And basically go ahead and add your pin. Let's have an example. This one, add next at the top right. And let's say that I added something right here. Before you post it, you're gonna be able to see advanced settings. Go ahead and click on it, and basically you're gonna know if you want to allow comments or not on your post. So if you want, just toggle this one on, right? If you don't, just toggle this one off. And basically once you create that pen, this the comment section will not be available for anyone. Alright, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.